So I guess it's like a video of how to get guitar tone. I'm pretty new to this shit, and I'm new to guitar, but this is what I've been doing. So essentially, you're getting your isolated track, and you get your isolated track. You can find them on YouTube or get Moises. It's free. You can do it like 5 times a month or something. You throw it into Moises, and it will split the tracks. You can see here, fucking loud. Alright, so after you've split the tracks, you put it into your DAW, and you get Spectrum Thief. It's a free plugin. Um, Open Spectrum Thief. I'm doing this after I recorded this video, so this is not live commentary. So when you're in Spectrum Thief, you just want to record the target audio, so what you're going for, which is the ISO track, and then yeah, you just hit that button, make sure it's in the same track, like the same channel as your same insert. You don't have to record a lot of it, and then record your own. You can do it live or just do a recording. Make sure you have your amp turned on. So when you have it disabled, it'll sound like fucking shit. When you have no IR cab, it'll sound like this. Yeah, pretty unbearable. And then yeah, you'll just record it into the source, and then you press the audition IR button after. Make sure it's on, and it'll apply the filter or the EQ, I guess. And you can hear them together. So the Moises like isolated track, it's gonna have some artifacting a little bit because it's AI, so you can hear it kind of sounds weird. It's like it has some weird fucking, I don't know. It's close enough for me. I'm not great, but and I'm really new to tone and just guitar in general. But it's not bad. I think in the mix, it sounds pretty good too. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, what? Also, I'm not on the same gear. Like, I don't have the same pickups, same fucking guitar. I have a really shitty interface that costs like $50. But it is what it is. For what it is what it is.